That's the big system. Quite the tornado show. Sirens just shut down. So here we are, watching. Going, woo! Party! Yeah!
We're bright.
Yikes.
Whoa.
That was a good one.
Holy crap.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's right on top of us, dude.
Yeah.
It's that lightning and then thunder that's only a second apart. Yeah, you're right on top of it. Woo! Doggy, that's not good. Wow. That was green skies. I hate green skies. Green skies always mean hail. Whoa. Wow. What are you jumping for, boy?
That was going out guard.
Yeah, I know this is stupid. We should probably go back inside where we're at least a little safer.
Getting loud.
It's because it's right on top of us.
Yeah.
Literally. Yikes. Poor old UAW building. I haven't seen it take a strike yet. Ooh, that didn't sound good. That's hail.
Sure is.
Alright, so the hail's starting. Don't know how big it is just yet, but it's starting. Oh yeah. Told you, then green skies always means hail. Go in and get the flashlights off of the ledge. Grab them both, please. We got hail. Yikes. Man, that is some weird ass lightning, weird ass clouds. Let me have one, please. I don't need it on, I just want one. You're not gonna see it. Oh, yeah, you're not gonna see it just yet. Go look out on the concrete. Maybe you'll see a piece laying on the concrete, Zach. Hail. Hail's hitting.
Is it?
Yeah. Not much. Okay.
Yeah.
Because the power flickering.
Get the flashlight off of her end table and take it down to her, just in case. Man, that cloud has not changed in half hour, 45 minutes. That's just weird. But that nasty stuff, yikes. Big old thunderhead. there's a good one. It's that dead calm that worries me.
Yeah, it got super.
Yeah. Usually that's like what I call the eye of the storm.
Yeah.
Just like hurricanes. And then shit breaks loose. So I'm expecting a deluge of rain, maybe some hail. But I still think this thing's gonna turn and hit Peoria, not us. Although them clouds are awfully, awfully weird right there. You can see a whole different colored layer right in there.
Yeah. Looking greenish,
Yep.
purplish color.
Yep.
The purple's probably light. Yeah, come out or just stand there.
Watch.
She's scared.
I'm gonna go finish my
Daughter,
what?
grab my beer, please.
He needs his lightning rod.
Yes. If I'm going down drinking. Thank you.
Oh, wait, laugh. It makes me cough. I'm going into my bedroom.
Have fun.
Don't let the nader get me.
Go keep your mother company.
Run, come with us.
I'm going to my bedroom.
Wind's starting to pick up, Zach.
Yeah. Starting to get past that eye.
Yeah. See how much it's moved?
Yeah.
That whole front and that whole system is finally moving past us. Or starting to, anyway. It is a big, big system. But yeah, it's starting to break up over there.
Yeah. I see that.
You can definitely tell as you pan past the high rise and look to the north. Yeah, that's some nasty looking shit that blew past us. Well, we got a little hail, but nothing to speak of.
Couple pieces.
Yeah. Whee! Well, I sure hope our little buddy Brady is all right in Lewiston. Seeing as how they got pounded so bad. Guess I'll find out tomorrow. Okay, I've had enough of it. Bye-bye.